Deep space is a vast and mysterious frontier, filled with wonders that defy logic and challenge our understanding of the universe. As our technology advances, we continue to peer deeper into the cosmos, uncovering objects and phenomena that seem almost impossible. From stars that appear older than the universe itself to massive voids where entire galaxies should be, the strangest discoveries in deep space raise more questions than answers. Some of these cosmic oddities hint at new physics, while others suggest forces at play that we have yet to comprehend. Scientists have found planets wandering through the galaxy without a star, bizarre radio signals that seem to appear and vanish without explanation, and celestial structures so large that they break the known limits of our cosmic models. Even more intriguingly, some discoveries, like the mysterious wow signal, make us wonder whether we are truly alone in the universe. As we explore the most bizarre things we've found in deep space, we will dive into the mysteries that continue to baffle scientists and inspire new theories. These are not just anomalies, they are glimpses into the unknown, offering clues that could one day reshape our understanding of reality itself. One of the most baffling discoveries in deep space is a star that seemingly shouldn't exist. Methuselah's star. Officially known as HD 140283, this ancient star, located about 200 light-years from Earth, has puzzled astronomers for decades due to one shocking characteristic. Its estimated age appears to be older than the universe itself. According to standard cosmology, the universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old, formed in the aftermath of the Big Bang. However, early calculations of Methuselah's star suggested an age of about 14.5 billion years, a clear paradox. How could a star exist before the universe itself was even born? Scientists have since refined their estimates, factoring in uncertainties in stellar modeling, nuclear reaction rates, and distance measurements. The latest calculations suggest Methuselah's star is closer to 13.7 billion years old, bringing it more in line with the universe's age. However, even with these corrections, the fact remains, this star formed shockingly close to the birth of the cosmos, making it one of the oldest known objects in existence. Methuselah's star is also moving at an incredibly high velocity through the galaxy, suggesting it may have originated from a different region, possibly even another galaxy, before being captured by the Milky Way. Its extreme age and strange journey make it a key target for researchers trying to understand the early universe. Did stars like this form in the very first moments after the Big Bang? Could it provide clues about the earliest building blocks of the cosmos? Although we may never know the full story of Methuselah's star, its existence forces us to rethink our understanding of stellar evolution and the timeline of the universe itself. Another mind-boggling phenomenon found in deep space is the Hand of God Nebula, a stunning cosmic structure that appears to resemble an enormous ghostly hand reaching through space. Officially known as PSRB 15958, this bizarre formation is actually a pulsar wind nebula, a remnant of a massive star that exploded in a supernova, leaving behind a rapidly spinning neutron star. Located about 17,000 light-years away, this pulsar rotates 7 times per second, generating powerful magnetic fields that energize the surrounding cloud of gas and dust. These charged particles interact with the nebula, creating eerie structures that, when viewed in X-ray wavelengths, eerily resemble the shape of a giant hand stretching across 150 light-years of space. Some astronomers believe this optical illusion is caused by the way energetic particles are being blown outward by the pulsar's intense magnetic field, sculpting the gas into this eerie, familiar shape. Others have speculated that it may be an example of pareidolia, the psychological tendency to see familiar patterns like faces or shapes in random data. However, the real mystery of the Hand of God lies in its energy. Scientists still don't fully understand how the pulsar's particles manage to produce such a dynamic and structured formation. Observations from NASA's NuSTAR telescope have revealed that the fingers of the hand seem to be growing and changing over time, suggesting that this cosmic phantom is still evolving. Is this an example of physics we have yet to fully understand? Or is it just a stunning coincidence shaped by nature? Whatever the case, the hand of God remains one of the most haunting and visually striking discoveries in deep space. Just another reminder that the universe is full of surprises, many of which we have yet to unravel. One of the most perplexing discoveries in deep space is the Bootes Void, a colossal region of almost total emptiness that defies our understanding of cosmic structure. Sometimes referred to as the Great Nothing, this massive void is located about 700 million light-years away in the direction of the Bootes constellation. Unlike most regions of space, which are densely populated with galaxies, stars, and cosmic structures, the Bootes Void is an unfathomable expanse of darkness, nearly 330 million light-years in diameter, large enough to fit thousands of galaxies, yet it contains only a handful. To put its scale into perspective, if our Milky Way were inside this void, we wouldn't have discovered another galaxy until modern times. The emptiness is so extreme that astronomers were baffled by how such a massive structure could have formed. According to standard cosmological models, matter in the universe is distributed in a cosmic web, with galaxies clustering along filaments while leaving behind empty spaces known as voids. However, Bootes Void is far larger and emptier than expected, making it one of the biggest known cosmic anomalies. One theory suggests that smaller voids may have merged over billions of years, creating this immense cosmic desert. Another idea proposes that unknown forces, perhaps related to dark energy or early cosmic expansion, may have prevented galaxies from forming in this region. Some have even speculated about exotic possibilities, including the idea that the void could be evidence of a parallel universe. Despite these theories, the true cause of the Bootes Void's emptiness remains a mystery. It challenges our understanding of the large-scale structure of the universe and raises profound questions about how matter is distributed across the cosmos. Whether it's a natural result of cosmic evolution or something far stranger, the Bootes Void stands as one of the most haunting and unexplained regions in the universe. Among the strangest objects ever found in deep space is Tabby's star, a celestial enigma that has baffled astronomers since its discovery. Officially known as Chi C 8462852, this star, located about 1,470 light-years away, behaves in a way that defies explanation. Its brightness fluctuates in an erratic and extreme manner, unlike anything seen before. Stars naturally dim when planets pass in front of them, but Tabby's star exhibits irregular, unpredictable dips in brightness, sometimes by as much as 22%, which is far too significant to be caused by an orbiting planet. What makes this even stranger is that these dimming events don't follow a consistent pattern, and over time, the star appears to be gradually losing brightness on a larger scale. At first, astronomers considered various natural explanations. One theory suggested that a swarm of comets or debris was periodically blocking the star's light. Another proposed that an unseen companion star or an unknown interstellar dust cloud was interfering with our view. However, none of these explanations fully account for the star's unusual and extreme behavior. This has led to more speculative ideas, including one of the most controversial yet fascinating possibilities. Tabby's star could be home to an advanced extraterrestrial civilization constructing a massive megastructure, such as a Dyson sphere, a theoretical construct designed to harness the energy of a star. While there is no solid evidence to support this, the mere fact that the star's dimming remains so puzzling has fueled discussions about the possibility of advanced alien technology. Despite years of study and follow-up observations, no definitive answer has been found. Whatever is happening around Tabby's star, it remains one of the most mysterious stellar objects in the universe, reminding us that there are still cosmic puzzles waiting to be solved. Another astonishing discovery in deep space is the existence of rogue planets, worlds that drift alone through the darkness, completely untethered from any star. Unlike Earth and other planets in our solar system which orbit the Sun, rogue planets wander through the galaxy, traveling vast distances in complete isolation. Scientists have long suspected that such planets exist, but it wasn't until recent advances in observational techniques that we began to detect them. The first confirmed rogue planet, Ogle 2016, BLG 1928, was discovered using a technique called gravitational microlensing, where the planet's gravity bends the light of a distant background star. What makes rogue planets even more remarkable is their sheer number. Studies suggest there could be billions to trillions of them in our galaxy alone, possibly even outnumbering stars. The origins of these lonely worlds remain a subject of debate. Some may have formed in a planetary system, but were violently ejected due to gravitational interactions with larger planets or passing stars. Others may have formed directly in interstellar space, never experiencing the warmth of a sun. Without a host star, these planets exist in perpetual night, with frigid temperatures and hostile conditions. However, some researchers believe that certain rogue planets, if they possess thick atmospheres or internal geothermal activity, could still harbor life deep beneath their surfaces. One of the most intriguing rogue planets discovered so far is Jupiter-sized CFB-SIR 2149-0403, which was found wandering alone in a nearby star cluster. Its discovery raised questions about how many of these massive starless worlds might be lurking undetected across the universe. The study of rogue planets is still in its early stages, but upcoming telescopes, like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope and Euclid mission, could help uncover many more of these strange nomadic worlds. Whether they hold secrets about planetary formation, extreme survival conditions, or even hidden forms of life, rogue planets are a testament to the universe's endless capacity for mystery. One of the most perplexing and chilling discoveries in deep space is the phenomenon of fast radio bursts. Intense, millisecond-long bursts of radio waves originating from unknown sources across the universe. First discovered in 2007, these mysterious signals have baffled astronomers ever since. Some FRBs are one-time events, while others, known as repeating FRBs, have been observed sending multiple bursts from the same location. The energy released by a single FRB can be equal to what the Sun emits in an entire day, yet they last for only fractions of a second. Their exact origins remain a mystery, but scientists have proposed various possibilities, including highly magnetized neutron stars, colliding black holes, or even exotic physics involving dark matter or cosmic strings. One of the most famous FRBs is FRB 121102, the first known repeater, located in a distant dwarf galaxy over 3 billion light-years away. Unlike other FRBs that appear as isolated flashes, this one has sent out hundreds of bursts over time, suggesting that at least some of these signals come from a persistent, highly active source. More recently, scientists detected an FRB from within the Milky Way for the first time, linking it to a magnetar, a type of neutron star with an extreme magnetic field. This was a major breakthrough, but it still doesn't explain all FRBs, especially those that seem to come from deep, extragalactic sources. Perhaps the most intriguing speculation is whether FRBs could be artificial in origin, potentially signals from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Some researchers have even suggested they could be powerful energy beams used for interstellar propulsion, similar to how we imagine laser-based spacecraft like Breakthrough Starshot. While there is no evidence supporting this yet, the idea remains compelling given the burst's inexplicable nature and immense energy output. As more FRBs continue to be detected, now numbering in the thousands, scientists hope that further observations will finally unravel their true nature. Whether they are remnants of dying stars, exotic cosmic phenomena, or something far stranger, FRBs remain one of the most thrilling unsolved mysteries in astrophysics. Another mind-bending discovery in deep space is Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to pass through our solar system. Detected in October 2017 by astronomers at the Haleakala Observatory in Hawaii, this bizarre cigar-shaped object was unlike anything seen before. It was moving too fast, at about 196,000 miles per hour, to be bound by the sun's gravity, confirming that it had originated from outside our solar system. Unlike typical asteroids or comets, Oumuamua exhibited no visible tail or outgassing, yet it mysteriously accelerated as it moved away from the sun, defying standard gravitational behavior. Scientists struggled to explain this anomaly. Some proposed it could be a hydrogen iceberg, slowly evaporating in a way that wouldn't produce a visible tail. Others suggested it might be a shard from a larger planetary body, ejected by some violent cosmic event. But one of the most controversial theories came from Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb, who suggested that Oumuamua could be an artificial probe, possibly a piece of alien technology, such as a thin solar sail propelled by radiation pressure. This idea sparked heated debate in the scientific community, with some dismissing it as speculation, while others argued that we shouldn't rule out the possibility of extraterrestrial origins just yet. Despite multiple follow-up studies, Oumuamua's true nature remains a mystery. By the time astronomers had detected it, it was already speeding away from Earth, making close examination impossible. No similar objects have been observed since, though astronomers are now on high alert for future interstellar visitors. The discovery of Oumuamua opened an entirely new chapter in astronomy, proving that objects from other star systems can and do pass through ours. Whether it was a cosmic oddity, a fragment from an alien world, or something even stranger, its fleeting visit left us with more questions than answers, reminding us how much of the universe remains unexplored. Another deeply puzzling phenomenon in deep space is dark matter and dark energy. Two invisible forces that seem to shape the universe yet remain entirely undetected. Scientists estimate that ordinary matter, everything we can see from galaxies to planets, makes up only about 5% of the universe. The rest consists of 27% dark matter and 68% dark energy. Yet we have no direct evidence of what either truly is. Dark matter was first proposed to explain why galaxies rotate faster than expected. Based on visible mass alone, galaxies should tear themselves apart under their own rapid spin. However, something unseen seems to be holding them together, an invisible, massive substance we call dark matter. Unlike normal matter, it does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it effectively invisible. Scientists only infer its presence through gravitational effects on galaxies and cosmic structures. The leading theories suggest it could be made of weakly interacting massive particles, axions, or even primordial black holes, but no direct detection has been made. Dark energy, on the other hand, is even more mysterious. In the 1990s, astronomers discovered that the universe's expansion is accelerating, a shocking revelation. Instead of slowing down due to gravity, galaxies are flying apart at ever-increasing speeds. This acceleration is believed to be driven by dark energy, an unknown force that makes up most of the universe. Some scientists think it could be a property of space itself, an effect related to vacuum energy or a new fundamental force of nature. The struggle to understand dark matter and dark energy represents one of the biggest challenges in modern physics. They define the structure and fate of the universe, yet their true nature remains elusive. Future experiments such as the Euclid telescope, the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, and particle collider experiments may finally provide answers. Until then, dark matter and dark energy stand as two of the greatest cosmic mysteries, hinting at a hidden side of the universe we have yet to comprehend. Yet even within Laniakea, the pull of the Great Attractor remains unusual. Some scientists speculate that even greater forces, such as the Shapley supercluster, located beyond the Great Attractor, might be influencing its gravitational power. Others wonder whether dark matter or unknown cosmic structures could be involved. The Great Attractor is a reminder that, despite our advances in astronomy, much of the universe remains unexplored. It raises profound questions about the large-scale structure of the cosmos and suggests that hidden forces beyond our comprehension may be at play, shaping the fate of entire galaxies on an unimaginable scale. Another mind-bending discovery in deep space is the Hoag's object, a perfect celestial ring that defies conventional galaxy formation theories. Located around 600 million light-years away, Hoag's object is a rare type of ring galaxy, consisting of a nearly perfect circular outer ring of stars and gas surrounding a dense, isolated core. This remarkable structure looks almost artificial, as if a cosmic force deliberately carved out its unique shape. Ring galaxies like Hoag's object are extremely rare, making up only about 0.1% of all observed galaxies. Unlike spiral galaxies, where arms extend from a central disk, ring galaxies lack a visible bridge between the core and the outer ring. The vast empty space between the two regions remains one of its biggest mysteries. The formation of Hoag's object remains an open question. One leading theory suggests that it was created by a collision with another galaxy, where a smaller galaxy passed through the center of a larger one, gravitationally pulling gas and stars outward into a ring shape. However, no traces of such a collision have been detected, and the core of Hoag's object appears undisturbed, which contradicts this explanation. Another theory suggests that its ring may have formed through resonant wave patterns in a highly stable galaxy, but no definitive answer has been found. What makes Hoag's object even more puzzling is that a second, nearly identical ring galaxy can be seen in the background of its famous photograph. This has led to speculation about whether there could be an entire population of Hoag-like galaxies that we have yet to discover. If so, they could reveal a new class of galaxies that challenge our current understanding of galaxy evolution. As telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, continue to explore the cosmos, more Hoag-like objects may be discovered, potentially unlocking the secret of their formation. For now, Hoag's object remains an astronomical anomaly, an eerie celestial oddity that seems almost too perfect to be real, reminding us of just how little we truly understand about the universe. Another deep space enigma that defies our understanding is Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to pass through our solar system. Discovered in 2017, Oumuamua was unlike anything astronomers had ever seen. It was neither a comet nor an asteroid, and its bizarre, elongated, cigar-like shape, estimated to be 800 meters long but only about 80 meters wide, made it completely different from any known celestial body. What truly baffled scientists was Oumuamua's unexpected acceleration as it moved away from the sun. Normally, objects in space follow predictable paths based on gravity, but Oumuamua sped up in a way that could not be fully explained by gravity alone. Typically, comets accelerate due to outgassing, the release of volatile materials like ice turning into gas, but Oumuamua lacked the characteristic coma or tail seen in comets, leaving scientists puzzled. Several theories were proposed to explain this anomaly. Some researchers suggested that Oumuamua might be composed of solid hydrogen, which could sublimate without leaving a visible trail. Others speculated that it could be a fragment of a disrupted planet, a shard from a collision in another star system. However, no definitive conclusion was reached. Perhaps the most controversial hypothesis came from Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, who proposed that Oumuamua could be an artificial object, possibly an extraterrestrial solar sail. Loeb pointed out that its thin, flat shape and unexplained acceleration could suggest that it was designed to harness radiation pressure from starlight, much like the concept of solar sails developed by humans. While most astronomers dismissed this idea as speculative, the lack of a clear explanation for Oumuamua's behavior left the door open to more exotic possibilities. Unfortunately, due to its high speed and trajectory, Oumuamua had already left the inner solar system by the time scientists began to study it closely. It is now far beyond our reach, traveling toward the edges of interstellar space. Future missions may aim to intercept similar interstellar visitors, allowing us to study these mysterious objects up close. Until then, Oumuamua remains one of the most perplexing cosmic anomalies ever observed. hinting that our solar system may be regularly visited by unknown objects from deep space. Another cosmic anomaly that continues to puzzle astronomers is the Bootes Void, one of the largest known empty regions in the universe. This colossal expanse, located 700 million light-years away, is a vast cosmic desert spanning nearly 330 million light-years in diameter, so enormous that it could fit thousands of Milky Way-sized galaxies, yet it contains almost nothing. Voids like the Bootes Void are not uncommon in the large-scale structure of the universe. The cosmos is arranged in a web-like pattern, with galaxies clustering along filaments, leaving vast, empty spaces between them. However, the Bootes Void is exceptional because it is far emptier than models predict. Normally, even the most barren regions of space still contain some galaxies, but within the Bootes Void, there are only about 60 galaxies, a tiny fraction of what should be there. The existence of such an immense cosmic void raises several questions. One theory suggests that it formed from the merging of multiple smaller voids, creating a single supervoid over billions of years. Another hypothesis is that it may be the result of dark energy's repulsive force, which accelerates the expansion of space and could push matter away from certain regions. The Bootes Void is so vast that if a civilization were located at its center, it would experience an unfathomable level of isolation. The nearest galaxy would be hundreds of millions of light-years away, meaning that any intelligent beings there would see almost nothing in their night sky. This has even led to speculation that the Bootes Void could be a sign of an advanced civilization that has somehow removed or relocated galaxies, an idea sometimes linked to the dark forest hypothesis, which suggests that intelligent civilizations may choose to remain hidden to avoid cosmic threats. While this idea is purely speculative, the Bootes Void remains an extreme and mysterious feature of the cosmos. As future telescopes probe deeper into the structure of the universe, we may uncover even larger and stranger voids, challenging our understanding of how matter is distributed on the grandest scales. Another mind-bending discovery lurking in the depths of space is the Methuselah star, also known as HD 140283, a star that appears to be older than the universe itself. Located about 200 light-years away, this ancient star has puzzled astronomers for decades due to its estimated age of 14.46 billion years, which is older than the Big Bang's estimated age of 13.8 billion years. This paradox has forced scientists to reconsider some of the most fundamental assumptions about cosmic history. Methuselah star is a low metallicity subgiant, meaning it contains very few elements heavier than hydrogen and helium. In astronomy, heavier elements, called metals, are created in the cores of stars and spread through supernova explosions. Since this star has an extremely low metal content, it must have formed during the earliest eras of the universe, shortly after the first stars ignited. However, the biggest mystery remains, how can it be older than the universe itself? Scientists have tried to resolve this age discrepancy in several ways. Some suggest that uncertainties in measuring the Hubble constant, which determines the expansion rate of the universe, could mean that the universe is actually older than 13.8 billion years, possibly bringing its estimated age closer to that of Methuselah star. Another possibility is that refinements in stellar evolution models could slightly reduce the star's estimated age, making it just young enough to fit within the timeline of the universe. Recent recalculations have indeed brought the estimated age down slightly, but the star's extreme antiquity remains a profound mystery. Methuselah star is more than just an old cosmic relic. It is a living fossil of the early universe, offering insights into the first generations of stars and the conditions that existed shortly after the Big Bang. As future telescopes refine our measurements of both cosmic expansion and stellar aging, this enigmatic star may help unlock secrets about the true age and evolution of the universe itself. Until then, it remains a cosmic anomaly, a star that seems to have existed before everything began. The universe is a vast, mysterious expanse filled with anomalies that defy our understanding of physics, time, and cosmic evolution. From stars that seem older than the universe itself to invisible gravitational forces pulling entire galaxies, these bizarre discoveries challenge the very foundations of astrophysics and force scientists to rethink what we know about reality. Each of these cosmic enigmas, the Bootes Void, Oumuamua, the Methuselah Star, the Great Attractor, and countless others, represents a puzzle that pushes the limits of human knowledge. Some may eventually be explained by advancements in physics, better observational technology, or new theories about dark matter, dark energy, and the fabric of space-time itself. Others may remain mysteries for generations, leaving us to wonder whether there are forces or entities in the universe beyond our comprehension. As telescopes grow more powerful and our exploration of space expands, we may one day unravel these celestial secrets. Until then, these strange and seemingly impossible objects serve as reminders that the universe is far stranger, more complex, and more awe-inspiring than we could have ever imagined.